I'm making this video because you need to know some work from home jobs and most importantly, your pajamas.
For real? Damn!
Actually, working from home is pretty important, especially with the situation we currently have going on. In this video, we'll go over real jobs that require no experience, where to find them, how much can you make from them. They're around 10-20 bucks an hour. A realistic wage that's really good for European and third world countries, where a good salary can be $3, $4, $5 and you can get 3 or 4 times that. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things social media related and making money online. So subscribe if you want to know more. It's really important that you grab 2 things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy in the description down below. And also, most importantly, like this video for the YouTube algorithm because we're starting with the first job, which is a virtual assistant. This is by far the easiest job. You can find people that can hire you on Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. And a quick tip that I want to give you is not only to post your offers as virtual assistant, and we'll go over different offers that you can create, but also see what offers other people have and apply for them. So if I go on my Fiverr account, you can see that I have over 140 orders. I'm very experienced in Fiverr and Upwork. Upwork I've spent a little bit more, maybe a few $1,000s, and I can tell you that businesses like mine do need freelancers and virtual assistants for a lot of stuff. If I just type in virtual assistant, you can see that people are offering their services. For example, this lady here, I'll be your virtual assistant making phone calls for you. I'll be your reliable virtual assistant and typist. Some people would hire something like this, a Shopify virtual assistant who fulfill orders. There's pretty much nothing that you need to do and that you need to learn, and it's really easy to make around 10 bucks an hour, which is a really good wage for just working from home. And if little by little as a virtual assistant you learn how to communicate good with buyers, with sellers, the second thing you can do is become a customer service representative, and not one over the phone but actually one on the live chat. My business actually has 5 people on our live chat. We have 4 people, so we are 24/7, and 1 person that oversees the chat and the shifts. So a lot of businesses need a live chat that's available 24/7. Just to show you proof that my business has all these operators, I'll go on my TDO, which is basically my live chat software. When I go on operators, you can see that I have me, the manager, 4 other people. So yeah, you can make from 3 bucks an hour up to 20 bucks an hour from doing live chat work. You can even do multiple websites at the same time. You can find these jobs again on freelancers, on Upwork, also on a website called Indeed.com. If you just type in Google live chat representative, we have Indeed.com, Glassdoor, and all these websites offer a really good amount of money per hour. You can see the reviews of the companies. And you don't need any experience, they will teach you everything. Sometimes you just need English, but if you're already watching this video, you probably have the English needed to do a live chat job. Obviously, live chat over the phone would be harder, but just typing wouldn't be that hard. A really good gig that's not hard to make money with is actually remove background services. So they're really easy. Remove background. There's websites that just remove background for you. You just add the image here and it will remove the background like this, remove.bg, and a bunch of others. You don't need any Photoshop skills. But basically people will have gigs like this, and look, this person has over 1,000 feedback, which means he has over $5,000 in revenue from just removing backgrounds for other people. Obviously, if they are doing 100, you can do 150, and I'm pretty sure you can do all of this in less than an hour because you can just open multiple tabs and add all the images. Different gigs like this are really good to see. If you want to be inspired, you just open up someone like this, Angel Photo, see what they are offering other than, you know, these gigs, and you can do similar stuff at a cheaper rate. Which brings us to another thing you can do. It will require some skill, but again, if you know English, because you're watching this video, but you also have another language. For example, I'm Bulgarian, so I can translate English to Bulgarian, Bulgarian to English, right? If you're from India, you have Indian to English, and vice versa, Italian, right? Spanish. So you basically have your mother tongue plus English. Again, if you are from a foreign country, you can do translation work. A website I found for this is toplanguagejobs.com. You can actually see what jobs are offered, and you can make around 10-20 bucks an hour depending on your skill and how quickly you can work. And if you actually want to make money online by developing your personal brand, I have a lot of videos on the channel, so you should definitely subscribe, and I can even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username or YouTube username, TikTok username down below, and I'll shout you out. And we have a few shout out winners on this video. They're right here. Monster kill. See you in the next one. A video day gives the doctor away, but the end of this video, check one of these ones out. Bye.